what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are painting and clear coating the C10 pickup from AMT. So you may have seen this footage already when I did a how-to video on splash paints, but this video is all dedicated on painting this truck. So the first coat right here, right now we're doing the harsh reaching areas first. We did this footage split up because this is kind of boring to watch. So this is the first coat. We kept it normal speed. For the second coat we did ×2 speed, and then for the third coat we did ×4 speed, because honestly the lighting on this, my paint booth had really good lighting and it's kind of hard to see it through the, because I did white primer and the color, it's kind of hard time showing it on camera because again the lighting is a bit too bright, but that's why we split the footage. Stay tuned to the clear coat stage because I did something pretty interesting on this paint job, which you probably already saw on the thumbnail. But we'll get back to you when we get to clear coat. Alright, as you see in these pictures, we are doing a weather truck. I'm sure most of you were probably really surprised to see this, and I really want to do this like weathered kind of custom truck. Basically, it's lowered with a custom chassis with a newer engine and newer wheels and tires. Redone interior, and the body they kind of left alone. So we just basically did this work truck type style with a rust on it, and it looks really good. And wait until you see clear coat go on it. Right now it looks brown, but actually it's kind of black and brown. So here is the clear coat stage. Wait until you see the clear coat. I actually zoomed up on the footage. Wait until you see this. I did already put on one coat of clear before I did this, before I did any lettering, just so it protected the color coat. I did not do that on camera because that wasn't really worth it. I did record it, but again, it wasn't worth it. But wait until we see the clear coat. Here we go. Look at the finish on it. The lettering, basically the black on it, it really pops out from the clear. As you see right here, it looks so good. So again, we're keeping this footage normal speed, the first coat, then second speed we kept speeding it up, and then the third coat we split up by a lot, and then we have the final pictures at the end. So yeah, check this out, it looks so good. And there we have it. As you see, it looks so good. I've never done a model like this. I've always wanted to see one and do one like this because I always see these in person. People will take these old like work trucks and turn them into like put custom chassis on them and just clear coat over the rust or whatever it has on it. It looks so good in real life cars. I don't really see too many people do that as scale models. I don't really see this at model car shows, so I wanted to see how it looks, and it looks absolutely amazing. The clear coat really makes this weather look really pop out, and it just looks so good. So hope you guys enjoyed this. I just want to do something different. You'll definitely be seeing this on an upcoming update, and I'll show you more detail to it obviously on that future video, but this is just how I did it. Again, there's no how-to video on it because it's my first time doing it, so I did not want to do it my first time doing it. But I really want to do this again. I have more plans on doing this type with clear coat methods in the future, maybe later this year. Again, we doing another C10 basically, but with a different bed on it. So I just love this weathered look with the clear coat on it. It looks so good and just pops up like crazy. But alright, now guys, that's it. If you stayed this long, congrats. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. I mean, this is a really fun paint job, and like I said, I just want to do something different for this build. So hope you enjoyed it. Again, you'll be seeing it on an upcoming update in more detail. But alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and until my next video, we'll catch you guys next time. Take it easy.